The Jabra 220-19 USB adapter simplifies the connection between corded Jabra headsets and personal computers, facilitating seamless communication. It offers a straightforward plug-and-play experience, ensuring users can quickly set up and start using their headsets without any hassle. This adapter supports digital signal processing, enhancing audio clarity, and providing a superior sound experience during calls. Its compatibility with any corded Jabra Quick Disconnect headset makes it a versatile choice for various headset models. Being industry certified and compliant with TIA 920 standards, it ensures reliability and high performance in professional settings. The Jabra 220 USB adapter is particularly beneficial for contact centers transitioning to Internet Protocol telephony, preserving current investments in headset hardware.